GTV portfolio includes a whole range of recessed profiles, from low profiles through high, wide and narrow profiles. All recessed glass profiles are mounted only with the use of push-in. We do not use glue or any silicone for this purpose. Today we will deal with the micro profile. The micro profile is characterized by minimalistic shape and the fact that after mounting LED strip, no light points are visible on the surface of the cover. The preparation of recessed profiles for mounting is the same as in the case of studded profiles. We only need to add one more step, drilling an additional hole in the end cap for power cables. We always put the cable through the end cap from the inside. The recessed profiles are mounted without the use of glue. When properly milled, the profile is pressed in.